What's up, guys? Just like I called out on Saturday night that Dogecoin will pump. Dogecoin pumped on my live stream. I called out a breakout on the live stream, and in each of my videos last week I was calling out a breakout for Dogecoin in the immediate short term, and it certainly happened. And congratulations to all those of you who are holding onto Dogecoin. You have certainly made some profits. Congratulations to those of you who have traded Dogecoin and have made your profits. This thing is going to the moon. We could see a small little pullback in the relative short term, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are pumping, and this thing is headed to the moon. But I have some very important pieces of news at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. We're going to be going over some price predictions, calling out some other big plays, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below, did you guys buy that dip, or are you guys planning to buy again? What is your strategy? What is your plan for Dogecoin right now? What's up, guys? My name is Myles. This is my second YouTube channel. I do another YouTube channel with primarily just stocks, but I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. And in my videos, I call out big plays before they happen, just like we've seen already several times. You will see people in my Discord, they talk about it. Myles called it out. Yes, guys, I've called out these big plays, and there's other plays that I will be calling out in the future to help you make a lot of money. So if you want to make a lot of money in crypto and stocks, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And make sure to check out the Discord. We have over 500 members. It's free. We can talk about stocks and cryptos. You can come and ask me any questions at any time. And check out the Patreon. I give out my private trade alerts for stocks and cryptos. And I also offer financial coaching or consulting. All right, guys, look. So we see that Dogecoin has certainly pumped a lot. And look, Mark Cuban says the Dallas Mavericks are the largest Dogecoin merchant in the world and predicts the token's price could eventually hit $1, guys. Not Elon Musk. Not only is Elon Musk saying this, not only is Snoop Dogg and other celebrities around the world pumping and helping facilitate the growth of Dogecoin, but we have Mark Cuban, a billionaire. We have a bunch of other major players in the world that are going to continue to help Dogecoin up. But yes, guys, they're saying Dogecoin is going to hit $1. It's not just a meme. It is not what people are just only saying on Wall Street bets. We have billionaires, we have businessmen. Yes, guys, they're getting into Dogecoin, and a lot of people call it, and a lot of people don't trust Dogecoin because it's a meme coin. It's all a joke, but it's not a joke. It's a cryptocurrency that is growing exponentially and is outperforming the entire stock market and even most cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Dogecoin is smashing. Yes, making home runs, making millionaires in just minutes, guys. Dogecoin is doing big things and making big moves. All right, look at what it says. It says Mark Cuban said the Dallas Mavericks are now the largest Dogecoin merchant in the world. So as you guys saw in my last videos, you can purchase tickets of the Dallas Mavericks with Dogecoin. You can buy some of their merchandise with Dogecoin. So they are accumulating a massive amount of Dogecoin. They are a Dogecoin whale. And other teams, other sports are going to start adopting this. And this is one thing that is going to cause Dogecoin to go to $1. Just this one thing alone will cause Dogecoin to go to $1. And that's not including the massive adoption of it. Other stores and ATMs allowing you to purchase Dogecoin, and not only those things, and then cryptocurrencies are pumping. We are in a bull run. There's altcoin season, and we are about to see some massive moves with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these other coins. So all of these factors can pump Dogecoin to $1. And even if only if one of these factors happens, it can still get to $1 at the end of the year. And look, guys, even further confirmation of what I'm saying. It says Doge to the moon. Mark Cuban says $1 will definitely happen if Maverick fans keep rolling. So Maverick fans, there's a massive fan base within the Dallas Mavericks that is such a huge sport, and other people are going to start adopting it. Other players, other teams are going to start adopting it, but he says it will definitely hit $1. Do you think a billionaire will come out there and say something is going to happen which doesn't happen? That could hurt the team. That can hurt his name and reputation. No, guys, he's basically putting his name and reputation and the entire team on the line for Dogecoin. That's how confident he is in Dogecoin. That's how confident he believes that Dogecoin is going to go to the moon and hit $1. And guys, look at this other article. It says celebrities continue to spread social media hype for Dogecoin through DOGECOINRISE. Guys, hashtag DOGECOINRISE. I'm going to be putting this in the video. But guys, whenever you make a post, if you guys want to help spread the message, hashtag DOGECOINRISE. This is a movement of the people that we are trying to get rich despite big banks and other people trying to short other things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, like stock markets, despite other institutions trying to stop people from buying GameStop and all these other stocks. No, that can't happen with Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is going to the moon regardless, because this is a decentralized form of currency. It's a decentralized peer-to-peer platform that allows people to build wealth and invest into something that cannot be controlled by a single person or government entity. All right, guys, so last week in my live stream, we were right here in the live stream. This is where I called out the breakout. I was like, guys, we are in a symmetrical triangle pattern, and if we break out to the upside, we'll see a massive rise. And let's see how much of a rise, guys. Look, just out of this box, we've seen a rise like here, and that is almost equivalent of the entire length and height of the symmetrical triangle. And that is something that is safe to do. This is our price target, and it certainly hit the price target exactly. Yes, in the live stream I gave out a price target, and it was 5.5 cents to 6 cents, and it has certainly well surpassed it. So whenever we certainly well surpass a certain price target, that means that the price that we are at now is overextended and that we must see a little bit of correction. So we can continue to see a little bit of pullback, which we are seeing in the 4-hour chart, but with a pullback, we're going to get a buying opportunity at a cheaper price, and this thing is going to the moon. So yes, guys, we are trending in this upwards channel, and unless we break out, unless we hit under 6 cents, then we are going to start trending downwards, and we're going to probably see a little bit of correction, guys, because we have seen such a massive rise. And let me go back to the 4-hour chart, and let's see how fast and how much we have risen since the price that I called out. So guys, just the price that I called out, and I said, guys, I think we're going to be breaking out to the upside, and if we do break out, I would take this trade, I would make an entry, and we've seen a 40% run, guys, just in the last couple of days from this last bottom, a 40% run. All right, guys, so at the point where I called that out, we saw a 40% run up, but let's see if you would have bought the dip. A lot of people bought this dip, a massive dip. You would be up 53%. But from where I called it out, you would be up nearly 40%. Congratulations to you if you didn't take the trade, or if you did take the trade. But guys, look, what I would do in this position, I would not be buying right here because we've seen a massive run up. And we know when cryptocurrencies, especially Dogecoin, runs up really fast and does a lot of things, it's going to come down a little bit and see a correction. So I would wait for a further dip. And also, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but I would be waiting for a further dip, and that's where I'd make another entry. We must be patient if you want to make the most money. Don't chase run-ups, because when you buy the rips, you will lose. If you buy here, you will lose. If you buy here, you will lose. Every single rip, you will lose. So you want to buy the dips. Look at this, guys. Dip here, dip here, dip here, and you'd make money every single time. Only buy the dips. But guys, there's something very important, much further than technical analysis can do, and that is the stimulus, guys. The stimulus is going to be done within the next couple of days, signed, and people are going to be getting their checks in a very short period of time, potentially next week or within the next couple of weeks. And if the stimulus does get done, which is going to happen, if the stimulus does get done, we will see a massive pump with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, and Dogecoin will be going to the moon. We will see again 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, and potentially we will see 10 cents within the next couple of weeks when and if the stimulus gets done. So my personal price target within the next couple of weeks is that we can certainly see 10 cents if we are getting that stimulus boost, if those stimulus checks are going to happen, which most likely they will, and pretty much already going to happen. So if that does happen, we will see Dogecoin hit crazy levels that we've never seen before. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and below up the comments. If you guys have any questions to ask me, go ahead and do so. I will get back to your comments. And also, guys, check out the Discord. You can join it. We have 500 members. We talk about cryptos, we talk about stocks, and check out the Patreon, where I'm giving my private and very important Dogecoin information before I release it to you guys. I also give private trade alerts for stocks and cryptos, and I offer financial consulting, so you guys check that out. And I will see you guys tomorrow.